Here we have a Honda CRV 2007 to 11 headlight package finished up. We're going to take a little video here to show you guys a demo. This customer wanted a pretty much OEM looking configuration, so no black housing headlights, no paint work, pretty just clean and simple OE style chrome, built on brand new OE style headlights. These are made by Eagle Eyes, so we use those as cores for the retrofit. Projector conversion here is the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0. Really great bixenon setup. It's a good step above the Mini H1s. If you do want to go with a D2S type system, this is pretty much the projector to go with at this point. We use these a lot for a lot of different makes and models, and with a large headlight like this, they fit perfectly. Shrouds he chose here are the Orbit shrouds. For such a large headlight, you need pretty large fitting shrouds, so Orbit's one of these large 140 millimeter diameter shrouds, so we chose that for this build. We're going to cut the HIDs on here and just kind of give you a demo of everything on. The default HID kit we supply is of course Morimoto. This customer chose an XB55 system, so a 50 watt system. You do have the option to go with a 35 watt. That is the default. We actually don't recommend 50 watt in all circumstances, but this customer chose to go with it regardless. Bulbs are Morimoto XB, which is default, and then everything comes with a relay harness to take care of wiring. In this case, it's a MotoControl H4 harness, so you don't have to rewire anything or cut and splice or tap your factory connectors. Everything with the relay harness is made plug and play, so really easy to install this stuff. Now, one more thing kind of want to mention while we cut the HID system off is the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0 projectors. They do have this blue coated it's an AR coating on the lenses, so it has this blue kind of hue, which looks pretty cool. Most people like this. It's kind of a neat thing that's on the 5.0s, wasn't on the previous generations, and D2S 5.0 has been out for some time now, but again, we use these a lot. A really great performance for the price point here. Now we have a headlight package for this vehicle. If you do have a CRV and you're looking for upgraded headlights, again, we can do really anything in terms of if it fits and you want it, we can make it happen. Again, this one is more of an OEM plus type build, nothing really crazy or over the top. Just wanted a clean OEM appearance, but we can get black housing headlights if you like that style. We can do custom paint work. We can install halos and whatnot. If you look at some of the other headlights in the product page for this vehicle, you should see some other examples with halos and maybe demon eyes and stuff like that. You can reach us by phone, 469-440-9449. Spec out a build on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. And check out there when you're ready to order, or again, just give us a call if you need some help speccing out a package. There's a lot of options for headlights, and so sometimes it's a little bit confusing. Thanks.